How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2010 Audi A6 Premium Plus 3.0 supercharged V6 all-wheel drive, 114,000 miles. We just serviced it. It drives great. We'll go through the body, a little bit of cosmetic stuff, and we'll point it out here on the rear bumper. Got a little paint peel, same in that corner. Tires are great though. Rides and drives excellent. Interior's in great shape. Clear coat fade on the hood. Missing a tow hook cover right here. Besides that, she's clean. Go ahead and take a peek at the inside. It's a two-tone, black and brown. Has a sunroof, heated seats, navigation. Let's see here. Really nice. Hard to find this color combo. Don't see this too much. We have 114,921 miles. Go ahead and start her up. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory. So yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you need any repair work done, Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche vehicle, give us a holler.